Do you want to start breeding guppies but don't know where to begin? In just 3 minutes, I'll show you the basic process. From choosing your breeders, preparing the tank, waiting for the babies, and raising the next generation. First, choose healthy male and female guppies. Look for active fish and good body condition. In breeding my guppies, I prefer male with a large dorsal fin and also a large caudal fin with a very good body coloration. If you're looking for a specific strain, choose breeders carefully. Your breeding results depends heavily on the fish you start with. Next, prepare your breeding tank. Keep the water clean and stable. Provide gentle filtration and give the fish enough space to swim comfortably. You can also provide plants or other cover where newborn fry can hide. Remember, stable water conditions are more important than making your setup complicated. Now introduce your selected male and female guppies. Guppies are live bearers. That means the female doesn't lay eggs. Instead, she eventually gives birth to live, free-swimming fry. The waiting period varies. So watch the female rather than relying only on a specific number of days. Avoid stressing the female and keep the water condition consistent. And then comes the exciting part, baby guppies. Once the fry are born, protect them from adult fish if needed, because adult guppies may eat them. Feed the fry appropriately in small amount and maintain water excellent quality. As the fry grows, observe them carefully. Look at their color, pattern, body shape, size, and overall health. If you're developing a particular strain, select healthy fish that match your breeding goal. Those fish can become your next generation of breeders. That's the basic guppy breeding cycle. Choose your breeders, prepare the tank, breed, protect the fry, grow them out, select the best for the next generation. Happy breeding and enjoy the journey.